So here at Always Thinking Mindset, not only do we focus on positivity, but also giving back, right? What I'm gonna show you is what we're trying to do, especially for the homeless, is to make sandwiches. It is winter here, so we got a few things. I joined up with one buddy of mine. We got a few blankets. We're gonna go out and give it out to the homeless. But remember to always give more than you receive, right? That's the part of this channel. The channel is create positivity, have a great mindset, but get out of your own head, be bigger than anything in this world, but always give back. That's how you get the most out of life. You learn from yourself. But anyways, stay tuned for today's video. We're gonna show you how we're gonna make those sandwiches. I even got my kiddos involved to teach them on grace. And hopefully we get you some footage out there, get you served up. But stay tuned. If you like, go ahead and like, subscribe. Until next time.
All of us grown-ups, we have jobs. We work hard to provide for you guys. Put a roof above. All this stuff, these lights that are on, the water that we brush our teeth with, all that stuff costs money. And these people here work for that. So we're lucky, we're blessed.
Ready?
All right.
Come on. Ready, girl?
Sandwiches, the chips. Everybody coming in.
All right, ready?
How many we got, Mike?
Like that. That's how you do it. Everybody, teamwork.
Ready?
This is our inventory right here. Our blankets. Those are, I think, the socks. Got a good setup there. Bags. Ready? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's gonna happen. Ooh, man. Here we go. Got beanies, gloves, more bags, more inventory. Guys, the point of this video is to bring awareness that anybody can do this, right? Give back to the community, obviously have some Christian teachings, and just help one another. And that's the point of this channel, right? We're all just telling a story, and I really need you to like, subscribe, share this channel, right? Because that's the way we get this channel to grow, to help others. I got a lot of great content coming up, but let's get you some footage. I want to show you what you can do in your neighborhood or community. I'm just a regular average middle class guy. I'm not a billionaire or zillionaire. I wish I had that money to give it away to help others, but this video is to portray what you can do and how little you can give in order to change the world. So stay tuned. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to make it out last night. They did send some photos, which you'll see at the end of this clip. But the way you can support this is completely free. Just like, subscribe, support the channel, share the channel, and just, grow not only in faith, but in your community. Just help. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you took value from it, like, subscribe. I have a lot more coming on, and let's make it go viral, guys. Obviously, we have to be kind to one another, but until the next time, I'll see you.